Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's practice session of respiratory system, we'll solve 10 questions with answers. Name the process of gaseous exchange in the body. Options: lymphatic system, respiration, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, and the answer is B. Respiration is the process of gaseous exchange in the body, while cardiovascular regulates the blood flow throughout the body. Nose, larynx, pharynx, lungs, trachea, and bronchi are the parts of respiratory system. Options: true, false. Answer is A. Respiratory system consists of all the organs which take part in the respiration. It includes bronchi, trachea, lungs, nose, larynx, and pharynx. Which of the following is not the function of the respiratory system? Options: regulate blood pH, helps in gaseous exchange, protection against blood loss, contains receptors for the sense of smell. Answer is C. Respiratory system helps in regulation of blood pH and also contain receptors of smell, produces vocal sound and filter inspired air, while cardiovascular system protects against blood loss by the formation of blood clots. Which of this statement is true for pulmonary respiration? Options: exchange of gases between alveoli of lungs and the blood, exchange of gases between blood and tissue cells, breathing between the atmosphere and the alveoli of the lungs, production of ATP. Answer is A. Pulmonary respiration is the exchange of gases between the alveoli of the lungs and the blood in the capillaries. Exchange of gases between the blood and tissue cell occurs in internal respiration. Which of the following controls the normal breathing process? Options: amino acids, cholesterol, ventral respiratory group, dorsal respiratory group. Answer is D. Ventral respiratory group contains both inspiratory and expiratory neurons and controlled forced breathing, while dorsal respiratory group contains only inspiratory neurons control normal breathing. Which of the following is the site of respiration inside the lungs? Options: alveoli, diaphragm, bronchi, bronchioles. Answer is A. Alveoli is tiny air sacs of lung which allow for rapid gaseous exchange. It is located at the very end of conducting zone and the beginning of the respiratory zone in the respiratory system. Which of the following acts as air conditioner? Options: nasal chambers, larynx, pharynx, lungs. Answer is A. Nasal chambers are internal nose. Each cavity is the continuation of one of the two nostrils. They act as air conditioners. What is the function of trachea? Options: filters air we breathe, releases air out of the body, carries air to the lungs, exchange of gas. Answer is A. Trachea is also known as windpipe. It is a cartilaginous tube that connects the pharynx and larynx to lungs. It filters the air. The trachea leads to which of the following? Options: pulmonary vessels, esophagus, bronchi, bronchioles. Answer is C. The trachea leads to the bronchi. Trachea extends from larynx and branches into two primary bronchi. Which of the following does not belong to the conducting portion of the respiratory system? Options: nose, pharynx, alveoli, bronchioles. Answer is C. Respiratory system is divided into conducting zone and respiration zone. Alveoli belongs to the respiration zone and not to the conducting zone. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and to hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos.